Okay, this video is about this little solenoid right here. And what it normally does, I got the key in it. You know, you put the key in, dings, you'll hear it click, and then you can move the shifter. So a lot of people like, oh, they show you how to replace this, you know, take the airbag out, steering wheel, all that, so you can get this metal tab back there, which I've already partially removed it. It's hard to tell. There you go. See that? Let's get a pointer. You see that black post there? There's a hole right back there that slides into, and this tab I broke. I don't care, because problem of mine is this thing works in it every once in a while. Let's use that word. So anyways, right now it's pulled down, and emergency brake on, dirty floor, gas pedal, turn the key to the on position, and without touching the brake, my car now works like an old-fashioned car. Now if you turn the key off, it still locks your thing from anybody to be able to push your car away. So people talk about a permanent fix. You want a permanent fix, just loosen that sucker and pull it down. You don't even have to take it all the way out. The only thing you will have to worry about is up in here, and that's why most people take it out to replace it, is there's this thing, that ding ding ding, that sensor's back there, so it tells you. So anyways, there you go. Like I said, all I did was took a screwdriver, and since this thing was bad anyways, I just pried this up to get that out. Like I said, I just slid it down to where it no longer makes contact, and it's being held in place technically by that pin still, because it's pushing up against this metal piece, is pushing against it, so it's fine. It's fine. You could take it out and just lay it to the side, but if you pull on it too much, you'll break the wires to the key buzzers. So there you go. There's my permanent fix. Just do away with it. See ya.